Tapan, do you think Sri Lanka is in commanding position now?
Well, I would like to think so. And I mean, a lot of cricket will be played, and Test cricket can change very quickly. We need to accumulate a few more runs, and hopefully try and put the Pakistanis under pressure.
Do you have any specific target for Pakistan?
Well, we need to bat ourselves till we feel that wicket is helpful, especially for the spinners, and then hopefully we'll decide then if we've got to bat first till the moment we feel that it's enough, wicket is doing something and we do have a chance.
Now, in the first innings, apparently you wouldn't have got the number of runs that you would want. What can you say about that?
I mean, it was disappointing for us to be 2 down for tea and then 6 down and the 8 down at the close of play. It was disappointing, and one thing is being disappointed, and the other thing is about the opponents bowling well at you. We at times bowl well, and we get more than 4-5 a session time sometimes. I mean, it was proven in Headingley when we bowl on a flat track with our seamers, with Damika getting 4. Things like that happen, but from a team point of view, we were a bit disappointed having lost 6 in that session.
Well, on the other side of the coin, I mean, this turn has been happened to you on your home grounds as well. How do you describe Herod's performances within the first 2 days of a wicket, of a SSG wicket particularly?
Well, I mean, his greatest strength being accurate, and I think we always tend to compare somebody, a spinner, with the Muralidharan we had for so many years, but I don't think that is very fair by anybody. He's a freak, he's a genius. This guy has different strengths, and he has proven over the years now that he's capable of getting wickets using his strengths. And well, to get 50 wickets in an year, and to get 20 times, 16 of them coming after Murali's retirement is a hell of an achievement.
Rangan had put 9 wickets and there was no others didn't contribute. Is it a concern? Because going in for the next innings that other bowlers, especially the fast bowlers, Melagedara and Damika Prasad didn't take any wickets?
Well, I think they created pressure. They created pressure not every time that everybody will take wickets. Things like this happen, and it had happened in the past. I hope it's not the case, but if Rangan is the one is going to get wickets for us, so be it. I mean, we'll be very happy if he gets another 9 if he can.
And Chanaka Melagedara returned to Test cricket after having 1.5 years. How do you see his performance?
Well, I think it was a flat wicket that we bowled on, and he bowled a length, a good length and a good line, especially at the right angles. Bowling on a flat wicket, second day wicket at SSC is not easy. Probably best day for batting, and the Pakistanis handling well. But he managed to create some pressure and keep one end probably dry as possible. But it's not disappointing. But as you say, we would like the 2 fast bowlers to give us a few more wickets in the second innings.
Now, Rangana's 9 for 127 is the best performance for left-arm spinner in the entire Test history. Does he know about it?
I don't think he knows about it. He's one guy who is very humble, and he's one guy who's concentrate on the job, think what he has to do at this moment in time, and I'm very happy to hear that.
Mavi, how important is the ball by Damika Prasad to Junaid Khan? Because Mavi has no part to play in this.
It's part of cricket. I think. I mean, no, there wasn't a definite strategy in that. It's fast bowlers against fast bowlers. That's how they work these days. no mercy being shown, and Dhammika was aggressive in that sense. He got a few, I'm sure. He had that in mind. But we are all sad to hear what has happened. But it's part of cricket.
Virat Khan bowled well in the first inning. If he not bowled tomorrow, it helpful for your team.
Well, he's a fantastic bowler. I mean, over the years, what he had done, especially against Sri Lanka, every fiver seems to be against Sri Lanka, and I think more than us, the Pakistanis will be unhappy for him not to take the field. Our case would be, our dressing room would be concentrating on facing whoever who bowls.
Anything in Sinhalese?
Last time Mahela and Kumar batting together, how much of an assurance has it been over the years knowing that those two guys at 3 and 4, having them there for a decade, what kind of sort of pillar of strength have they been?
Well, they have been enormous strength to the dressing room, plus to the individuals who have played with them and who are playing with them. But see, every good thing comes to an end, and it'll be somebody else who will take their places, and in years to come, I'm sure they'll be more they'll be very proud of seeing somebody going past their records and doing well at those positions. I mean, you need to be a bit more patient for others to come, let them have the exposure. Just remind yourself about how Kumar and Mahela emerged when they started. So you need to give people a bit more time and be patient. We all need to do that in supportive of all the youngsters coming up.
How many hours do you think that
සිංහලෙන් අපි සිංහල ප්‍රේක්ෂකයන්ට වට අවශ්‍යයි.
ශ්‍රී ලංකාවට කොපමණ පන්දුවාර සංඛ්‍යාවක් අවශ්‍ය වෙයිද පාකිස්තාන කණ්ඩායමේ අඩු 10ක් ලබා ගන්න මේ SSC කණ්ඩායම?
මම හිතන්නේ අඩුම තරමෙන් පන්දුවාර 90ක්, ඒ කියන්නේ දවසක් අඩුම තරමෙන්. මේ අවස්ථාවේ මම හිතන්නේ ඒ පන්දුවාර ගානට වඩා අපේ ලකුණු සංඛ්‍යාව අපි කොපමණ ලකුණු සංඛ්‍යාවක් ලබා ගන්නවද, කොපමණ කාල වේලාවක් පන්දුවල පහර දෙනවද කියන එක මම හිතන්නේ වැදගත්. ඉතින් ඒ සම්බන්ධයෙන් අපේ හිත යොමු කරලා ඒ ටාගට් එක කරා යන එක තමයි අපි දැනට බලාපොරොත්තු වෙන්නේ.
මම කොච්චර ඉලක්කයක් දෙන්න බලාපොරොත්තු වෙනවද? ලකුණු 350ක් දෙන්න වඩා යමක් දෙන්න බලමු. මොකද පාකිස්තානයේ අනිවාර්යෙන් ලකුණු සංඛ්‍යාව හඹා යන මොකද කියන්නේ නෝනේ මොකද උන් තරගාල ජයග්‍රහණය කළේ නිසා සාජාවල ඕන 65කට අපි 300ක් ලබා දුන්නා ඕනේ. මේකට ෆැක්ට් එකක් වෙයිද?
ඔව් මම හිතන්නේ අපි තරගාවලිය ජයග්‍රහණය කරලා ඉන්නේ. අපි තරගාවලිය ජයග්‍රහණය කරනවා කියලා අපි නෙගටිව් වෙන්නේ නැහැ. අපි ඕනේ තරග ජයග්‍රහණය කරන්න ඕන. අපි ශ්‍රේණිගත වලින් අපේ ටෙස්ට් තරග වලින් ජයග්‍රහණය කිරීම මත අපේ කොන්ෆිඩන්ස් එක නගා ගන්නත් අපි ටෙස්ට් තරග ජයග්‍රහණය කරන්න හදනවා. හැබැයි අතරතුරේ මම බලන්න ඕනේ මේ ක්‍රීඩා මේ තාන්තිල් කොච්චර පිටිකරුවන්ට යෝග්‍යද, ඒ වගේම අපේ පන්දු යවන්න කොච්චර ෆ්‍රෙෂ්ද කියලා මේ පන්දු යවන්න දැන් අපි ගතන රංගන මම හිතන්නේ ඕවර් 250කට එහා පන්දු වාර ගානක් මේ මාසය ඇතුළත සවුත් ඇෆ්‍රිකා ප්‍රසිඩන්සි නම් බෝල් කළා. ඒ කියන්නේ අඩුම ගානේ දවසකට ඕවර් 10ක්වත් ගානේ බෝල් කළා. ඉතින් ලේසපාස් ගානක් නෙමෙයි. වන් ඩේස් උත් දෙන්න තියෙනවා. ඉතින් මේ වෙලාව වෙනකොට අපි පුළුවන් ද කරන්න කොයි අවස්ථාවේද පුළුවන් මේ පන්දු යවන්නට ඇති වෙන රෙස්ට් එක දීලා තියෙන්නේ. ඒ කාරණා සියල්ලම මම හිතන්නේ කන්සිඩර් කරලා තමයි ඒ අවශ්‍ය වෙලාවට ඒ ඩික්ලරේෂන් එක කරනවා නම් අපි දැනට තියෙන්නේ අපිට ගන්න ලකුණු ලබා ගැනීම. මොකද ඉතාමත් වැදගත්. අපි මේ ලකුණු 165 වගේ නෙමෙයි, අපි ලකුණු සංඛ්‍යාවක් දාන්න ඕන අපිට තර්ජනයක් එල්ල කරන්න පුළුවන් විදිහට පාකිස්තානයේ ඒ ලකුණු ලබා ගැනීම ඉතාමත් වැදගත්.
Jaira and Sangha are playing very good. So what would be your strategy tomorrow? And what would be your strategy for tomorrow?
Hopefully for them to play as long as they can.
Like your experience are doing, have done like Harit and done well. So what about this Ajmal and Rahman are doing a good bowling? So what's the plan for them?
And we are not taking anything for granted. I mean, for two batsmen, it needs only 2 balls. And we don't take anything for granted, especially thinking how things worked in the first innings. We lost 6 wickets in that last session of play on the first day, and we don't like to take anything lightly, especially in the first session tomorrow. And we'll bet ourselves in and see how much pressure that we can apply on the Pakistanis.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah.